Hello, everyone. So, this is the first of two videos that I would be recording. So, this one is I wanted to show you how to access the sample data files in SPSS. So, once you have installed your SPSS software, then you can go into your applications folder. And I'm thinking it's going to be different for the Microsoft computers because this is the Mac. So you go into your applications folder and you're going to look for essentially your SPSS folder where you have stored the documentation for the file, and you're going to open up that file to, if you can't find it like I can't, you type SPSS, and sure enough, here it is. So you don't want the actual file as the software. You want this folder, and you go here, and the resources and the samples. And you open that up, and you open English, and then you can open any one of these files. And I already have the aflatoxin file open, so I will open one. So I'm going to look for something that would have some occupational therapy friendly data. So I opened that up and it's opened up in another screen. So here you have that data in the file dietstudy.sav, and this is the data view. So you have the patient ID. There are 16 patients, and these are their ages, the gender, and all the various measurements. I think this is the triglycerides and their weights for each. So there are four triglyceride measures and four weight measures. So I guess there were four different times that they assessed these patients. And if we looked at the variable view, we'll see the first variable is the ID for the patient, which is nominal. And then the age is scalar, the gender, nominal, and the triglyceride measures. So one, two, three, four. Actually, there are five triglycerides. So there's like a baseline and then four measures, and similarly for the weight. And so if you opened up that data set, then you can use it to do some preliminary type descriptive statistics, right? So we can look at the gender variable, which is the categorical variable, and you always go analyze descriptives. And the first one is frequencies, which you use for categorical variables, right? So if we wanted to generate a frequency table for our gender gender variable. So we would go in here and we would make sure we choose the bar chart, and then display frequency table is clicked on. And that would produce this lovely table here. So we see we have 9 males, 7 females, for a total of 16 people. And this is represented here graphically in these bar charts. So that's how you would do descriptive statistics for the categorical variables. Now, if you wanted to do the quantitative variables, you go to Analyze Again, Descriptive Statistics. This time you would choose Descriptives. And let's say we wanted to look at the age. So we wanted to see what the average age of this group is. So we have the mean and standard deviation, min max on. So if we um, generated the descriptive statistics, so we see here 16 patients ranging from 45 years of age to 64, with an average age of 54.69 and a standard deviation of 6.9. Now we can also generate a histogram. There's not a lot of